forces on the ground. The rebel base has been largely evacuated, but is still extremely dangerous. A special forces crew remains on site, purging compromising intelligence. Lord Vader wants that data, so we're going to get it. Begin securing the base at the turbo laser emplacements. We'll set charges and destroy the enemy's main defenses. Then we push forward.
These turbo laser rigged! Detonator's charging! Clear for grenade!
Countdown aborted at the east turbo laser.
Heavy gunner, holding ground! Stop! Charge is powering! East turbo laser set! Clear for grenade!
Charges detonated. West turbo laser destroyed.
Watch your step! Be careful! Rebel presence! Set up here! Nice job! Counting in!
East turbo laser destroyed. One more.
Going in fast, cover me! Couldn't stop him! Courtyard charge is offline! Infantry marked! Get clear!
Courtyard detonation imminent. All turbo lasers neutralized. Wipe out the
Get behind me,
rebels
move
and
it in.
await new orders. The outer defenses are down, but we still have far to go. Secure the rebel staging points at their camp and the laser control center. After that, we push for the base proper.
I can feel your anger. It makes you strong. Welcome, my friend. Closer, closer.
secure. Focus your assault on the rebels. They'll retreat toward the central structure, and you'll pursue.
Be ruthless, my friends. I need no army for your ink. Witness my glory. Hostile Yoda is mine. Systems. The dark side consumes.
Watch yourself!
Now, then you understand. Good. Let the hate.
We have control of the gate. Hunt down the rebels, then march on the main structure. Quickly!
Crush them
The
up.
rebels can't defeat us, but they can still wipe the databanks we came for. Get in there now. Download all information from the main briefing room and the command center.
Might be here a while.
You understand. Do what must be done. Do not hesitate. Show no mercy. Now, at the end, do you understand?
No sign of the enemy.
With each strike, your hatred grows. Experience power!
Operation complete. We have the intelligence we need and the rebase is ours. Victory today. Revenge of death.